Hello and welcome to this first episode about operational excellence. This video is the introduction to operational excellence. It briefly explains what it is, why it is important, and what are its main pillars. So what is operational excellence? To put it simply, a company's success depends on two main elements, its strategy and its operations. Operations are all the activities carried out by each entity of the organization, such as sales, marketing, production, accounting, and so on. Then, operational excellence is defined as the perfect execution of a company's operations according to its strategy. In a more practical way, since perfection doesn't exist, operational excellence is the perfect execution of a company's strategy in a more consistent, more reliable, and more adaptable way than its competitors. Why is operational excellence important? According to a study published in 2017 by the Harvard Business Review, 67% of the well-formulated strategies still fail due to poor execution. This shows clearly that the execution part of the strategy is at least, if not more important, than its definition, however good it may be. It is therefore essential for companies to strive for operational excellence. What are the main pillars of operational excellence? We are going to review the 6 major pillars Vivalgo has identified and how do they look like when achieving excellence. The first one is strategy. According to our definition, the content of the strategy isn't really part of operational excellence. However, the way it is defined, deployed into the organization, and adapted is part of it. The strategy must be clear, supported by a robust analysis, be different than its competitors, and compelling to the employees. It must be deployed into the organization through an operational plan using a participatory process. Finally, it should be regularly adapted thanks to an effective information collection and review processes. The second pillar is the processes. Processes must be clearly and formally defined, must be both as standard as possible and adapted to different situations, and must be supported by the relevant tools and document templates. The third pillar of operational excellence is performance management. Decisions and actions should be fact-based and monitored, thanks to effective management meetings and appropriate KPI dashboards. The fourth pillar is improvement. In a constantly and rapidly changing environment, companies must constantly innovate and improve through daily problem solving, continuous improvement, transformational improvement, and finally through innovation and knowledge sharing capabilities. The fifth pillar is organization. Its structure, or its organization chart, must be aligned to the strategy and have the minimum number, but reasonable number of hierarchical levels. Its roles and responsibilities must have a clear definition aligned to the daily reality. And finally, it must be completed by a communication which is top-down, bottom-up, and horizontal. The last and most important pillar of operational excellence is employee engagement. A company can have the best processes, the best systems in the world. It will not do much good if they are not used by committed and motivated employees. Engagement employees should be encouraged by shared values embodied in everyday behavior, by focused and strong leadership, by an effective people development system, by a clear, fair and transparent evaluation and reward system, and finally, by a strong team spirit. Thanks for watching this introduction video. If you want to know more about operational excellence, you can watch the next episode of this operational excellence series. Visit our website or contact us. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the thumb up